and welcome to another Shein haul. My name is Angie. I'm going on 45 here in about 2 months, and I'm about a size small. So without further ado, let's get into this haul. These are all the things that I have to show you today. I'll review them really quickly for you. This is a super cute dress. It's kind of like hippie style. You're going to love it. This right here is another super cute dress, and it kind of comes off the shoulders. Cutest. Then we have this number, which is a two-piece, and it's kind of plaid-ish, and it's really, really cute. And then last, we have this cute two-piece, it's not really a suit, but kind of outfit sort of thing. So let's go ahead and get to trying these on. First, we are going to start out with the hippie style dress. It is so cute. So this is what it looks like. And it's cute. It looks like embroidering on it, but it's actually not embroidering. Let me show you the sleeve really quick here. Like, isn't that just a moment? It's so cute. And then the top of it also has some of that embroidery looking areas. So let's go ahead and let's try this on, and we'll just do it with a little jump. And here it is. What do you think? I think it is so cute. I love the flared sleeves. I'll stand back a little. As you can tell, it's a little bit longer. Comes down to just kind of right at my knee or right above my knee, which is totally fine with me. I don't mind a longer dress. I'm a little bit shorter, so whatever. That sounded stupid. I'll be cutting that one out. I love how the neckline comes up right here and does this little kind of little number here. It's super cute. You can also take and pull these back if you want them to be back like this. Let me give you a little pirouette. Yes, and this is outfit number 1. So in the comments below, be sure to vote for your favorite outfit so I can wear it in an upcoming video. Let's move on to outfit number 2, and I'll show you what it is. Alright, so this is outfit number 2. If I can get it open. There we go. This or that. And check out this cute dress. If I can get it out for you. So see, it's got this little deal that goes over your shoulders, and then it has sleeves that are flared. Looks like it's probably going to be a little bit longer on me as well, so I am totally cool with that. Let's go ahead and pop into this one too. And here is the next one. Isn't it just the cutest? It's got this little neckline that goes over your shoulders, so I think that is pretty sexy. In addition, it has the flare sleeves, which if you haven't noticed, I do love a good flare sleeve. I'll step back and show you the bottom of it. As you can tell, it is a little bit longer dress, but like I said, I do not mind at all. I wear high heels anyway, so my legs will still be long enough. It will be okay. Let me get closer and show you what it looks like up close here. And I'll show you the sleeve. There's the fabric. It's fairly thin fabric, and then it's got kind of a scalloped edge right there, so I think that's really neat. So here is the front of the dress, and then let me show you the back of the dress. And there we have it. So that is outfit number 2. Be sure to vote in the comments below for your favorite. Let's check out outfit number 3. Okay, now this one right here, I have been like waiting for and dying to open. I got this for Christmas, and that's where I got all my Shein clothes, is for Christmas. And so I've been dying to open this package and try this on because it looked super cute on the model, because I checked it out on the website. Don't tell anybody. And I'm hoping it looks half as cute on me, because if it does, then I have a winner. This is more of a summer outfit. Let's stop talking and let me show it to you. Okay, so there's two pieces. The first piece is this cute little sweater, kind of sweater vest situation. I think that is just super duper cute, and it's got the nice long sleeves. And it's got that cute little print on it. The sleeves are collared, or not collared, but they have a button like a collar, so that's pretty neat too. Kind of fancy. But as you can see as I walk backward, my waist is kind of down here and this is up here, so it's a little bit of a crop top. Let's check out the bottoms. Okay, here are the bottoms. So as I step back and show you, as you can see, they're a little bit short. So we will see what this outfit looks like. And then let me show you the bottom little ruffle here. I think this ruffle is so cute, and it's made out of the same fabric as the sleeves are on the top. So let's go ahead and just throw this outfit on. Alright, and here is the outfit. So the top is a little shorter. It makes room to show the belly a little bit. I did pull these up. They can be either higher waisted or they can be lower waisted, whichever you prefer. I am wearing some little white shorts underneath because it is quite short, unlike the other outfits. So let me show you the back. And here we go. So it has, like I said, it has these cute little button-up sleeves here, and it's got this nice little sweater vest that kind of, looks like a sweater vest even though it's attached. Go ahead and vote for your favorite in the comments below if this is one of them. Now's your time to write a comment. And let's look at the next outfit. The next outfit I have to show you is just absolutely adorable. I love the color. I thought that it was a two-piece, but it's actually a one-piece. So let me show it to you. Check this out. Is that not just like super sexy cute? I think it is. I love how it has the gold buttons that go against the dark blue. It's not a skirt, it's actually skirts, so I think it's going to be just the cutest thing on, and I am so excited to get in it. I could just jump. And here we have it, the last outfit. So what do you think? Let me get closer so you can see it better. This is what the fabric looks like. It's very velvety and soft. It does have, the buttons don't do anything but chill. But in the back it does have a zipper that zips up. The zipper is actually fairly invisible though, so you probably didn't even see it even though it was there. This is super comfy. Like, I could sleep in this. I'm not sure if that's what I'm supposed to do in it, but I might just be sleeping in this tonight. Really all I can say is that it's cute and it's comfy, and I absolutely love, love, love this color. Like, I am obsessed with this color. So, speaking of being obsessed, if you are slightly becoming obsessed with my videos, there is a subscribe button. So, go ahead and hit that button. And while you're at it, give the video a thumbs up because you made it this far, and I must have entertained you in some way. Other than that, I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful, fantastic day, and I'll see you in our next video. Peace out.